this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see your hotspot password on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, go to my phone settings. Just like so. After you open up your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to navigate to hotspot and connections. So simply click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on personal hotspot. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hotspot settings. Here we go. So here you have your hotspot name and your hotspot password right here. So from here you can use the password to connect with any other internet. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your hotspot password on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.